Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you a really awesome color swatch, color palette trick in Adobe Illustrator. This is a good one, so let's jump right into it. Now grab your rectangle tool, and by holding down shift you can make a perfect square. So this is the color I want to use, and I want to find its perfect match. So I'll make a duplicate of this, then hold down shift and click here on this little arrow. This window will pop up. Now make sure you click up here in the top corner and select complement. This will automatically find its complementary color and change it over here. Now let's say I want to have my swatch, I want to have 5 colors total, and I want them to go from this color to this color. Well, there's a really easy way to do this. You just select both, double click on the blend tool to bring out the options. Make sure you have specified steps selected. You want to go with 5 steps, press OK, and then click on once on both of your squares. So click once here and then here. And there you go. You can always double click and reduce the steps. And you have your perfect color swatch right here. You can place it on the side, so you can just grab it whenever you need it. It's pretty cool, right?